Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find VR helper services options in our Samsung Galaxy S22. So, where to look for this option? We need to go to Settings, then we are looking for our Applications menu, here it is, then three dots menu at the top right, next Special Access, and at the bottom we have VR helper services. Right now we have no apps that uses VR services, but if we would have, they will appear right here. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.